Alright guys, welcome to episode number 4. In today's episode, I promise this will be last episode about that boring stuff about drawing. Next episode we'll actually start learning how to draw some maybe human parts and but today I have to show you something before we got to that part with real drawing. I want to show you some basic 3D shapes that you will use to draw, let's say, hand or fingers or nose or so let's start. And yeah, it's night outside and here is dark a little, so my face is a little bit blue because I'm watching in my monitor and screen is blue and all that. Never mind. Okay, let's go. So first you want to learn to draw basic cube in few different positions like this. Okay, this is one. Let's say let's go like this. Ideally, you should know to rotate that. That's a bit hard, but you have to practice that. You should know to take that and rotate in like 360 degrees, and that's with every shape. Okay, so why do you need to draw cubes and those shapes? So you need, let's say, if you want to draw chest, human chest. So let's say like this. Draw him in space, maybe. Okay, like this. And I normally don't draw like this, but there's a time when I guess I draw like this. Okay, and here we'll go hand, arms, arms, and here is neck and head on top of that. Now you see that you need to know those basic shapes. Okay, next basic shape. Okay, let's erase all of this. Next you should learn to draw cylinder. So cylinder is used a lot and I'm using it a lot, and it's basically to let's say draw a hand. I'm always using that to draw a hand. Okay, so here we have our I drew this like a couple seconds ago, chest, and here is joint, and I'm not doing like this, so that's not how I'm drawing. I'm drawing like this. So I create a normal cylinder and another. This is normal, circle, and another cylinder, and then hand like here. You see, that's how I basically draw. And cylinder is used for everything. If you like drawing something mechanical, you always will draw that. It's just try to see around you some stuff. This is cylinder. Here I have my pencils. Cylinder. Let's draw it. Cylinder. All right. So that's easy. I don't want to bother you too much with stupid cylinder. All right. Let's erase all of those. Now I want to show you to draw ball. Yeah, circle or and ball. So circle, to draw a ball you want to draw first circle, and there's no other way around than to just put those. You can put like you put in school when you draw geometry or something, full circle right here, but I don't do like that. I just draw a ball and then two lines. I do this for face. Let's say if I want the face to look and in that way, this face is looking in that way, and this right here is looking in that way, you know, and this is looking up, you know, like this. Okay, this one is looking up, you know, and this one right here is looking down. It's so easy, you know. You can draw like this, so you can circle and then like something like this, but I don't want to do that. I want to keep my, you know, stuff simple as possible, but don't go too simple, because too simple is not good. You need to find that middle place. Of course, you don't have to follow those rules. You can maybe change those rules a little, you know. One more shape, and that's a, I think it's called pyramid. I don't know really on English how's that called, but it's like this, you know. And I don't really use those, but it's nice to, you know to draw that. Or pyramid. Let's do a pyramid, like something like this, or how to draw pyramid. Let's say, okay, like this, you know. But pyramids are not really, you know, used very much. The most shapes I use are, now I will draw them at the end. Okay, so I use, of course, circle for head, and I use circle for, you know, chest, for, you know, human body. I use like this, and not now, you know, here cylinders for hands. You know, I will show you that in next tutorial. I don't want to show everything. Oh, whoops, everything now. Okay, let's get the eraser. Okay, and okay, so circles or balls, or, you know, those, then cube, you know, then cylinders. Let's make a better one, this ugly one. Okay, and cylinders. Those are three, you know, stuff that I draw most when I'm drawing. And yeah, that's it. I hope you learned something. You can try it a little. You can try to rotate, you know. Let's take, for example, take this cylinder and try to draw a couple of times. Try to rotate that. Use, you know, circle. Try to rotate that. Circle is really easy. No circle. Ball. I'm sorry. Ball is really easy, and you know, cube is really easy. So try to do that. Experiment a little. Play with it. Don't get too much bored. And see you guys in the next episode, where I will start, you know, to draw some maybe human body, you know. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.